is Jason, and I'm here with another inspection information today. So today we're walking around the outside of the house and just kind of some of these crawl space vents. And as you can see here, they've got these things covered with a plastic cover. Now here in this state, we don't get a whole lot of super cold nights, and these things here might be on there to keep your plumbing pipes from freezing under the house. But here in this area, we just don't get that cold, and it's not a good idea to cover these up. And it looks like these ones here have been on for quite some time, as they've got them built around plumbing pipes and gas pipes and things going in. So good idea to not have these on there, as they can cause issues under the house. These vents are meant to let air circulate around, so any moisture that does get under the house can be evaporated and taken out. So just a good idea, do not cover your vents, especially in the weather, unless it gets down to below 20 degrees. Thank you. Have a good day.